Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm doing another unboxing video today, but as you can see, I'm not in my normal place where I do my unboxing videos. I'm not at my house today. I'm actually at my club, the NJ High Railers. We're located in Paterson, New Jersey. If you get a chance, come check the club out. We have a great big layout. You'll definitely enjoy it. But on to what I'm unboxing today. This is an exclusive from Easy Catch Train Shop. Easy Catch is located in Staten Island. If you've never heard of them and you've never checked them out, you should check them out. They have really good prices. Pat always gives really good deals, and he has really great products. So on to the engine. This is a MTH Premier GP9. It's the New York and Greenwood Lake Railway. Like I said, this one is exclusive to Easy Catch Train Shop. Y'all know I love my purple boxes of happiness. The model number for this is 20-21795-1. This is some of the paperwork from Easy Catch. Never owned a GP9 before. I don't know much about them, so I can't really tell you about the history and stuff because I don't know it. Well, y'all know I don't do that anyway. But let's get to opening it. Here it is, guys. New York and Greenwood Lake Railway. This is a really nice looking engine. I don't know much about GP9s, but it looks really cool. Has a lot of detail. Like I said, this is an Easy Catch exclusive. I think they did a really good job on it. Of course, it has the figures on the inside. So, guys, you know how I do. I'm going to go lube it up and put it on the tracks, and then I'll come back and run it for you. Okay, guys, so after I finished recording, I realized that you couldn't really see the engine. Even though I went close up, I wasn't close enough. So here's another view of the engine and the details. I don't have a turntable. I just wanted to give you a nice close-up view of everything. So now I'll go and run it for you guys.
Is she ready to go? Compressor checks out. Okay.
Fuel is topped off.
Make sure the sand bins are topped off. All right, I'll check that out. Sand bins are topped off. Yep, she's in good shape. Thanks. See you next